What's up, everybody? Mikey Mayhem for Attractions Magazine. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, and I bring terribly exciting news. Terribly exciting? I bring very exciting news. We have our first pieces of track for the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster up on supports backed by the Firehouse here at Universal Studios, Florida. And I'm going to show it to you right now. It's a little bit of straight track and then it kind of curves off. So it's very exciting. Are you looking forward to this coaster? I'm looking forward to this coaster. Here is this little bit of video I took of this track, and look for more coming to attractions very, very soon. Follow us on social everywhere, and we'll see you later. Bye.